Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing good. In today's video, I want to chat to you guys about Naked Brands, so ticker symbols NAKD. So from my last video, there was a dead cross between the 10 period moving average and the 50 period moving average. So this was potentially the start to a bearish trend. But since then, the prices continue to fall and it's heading towards a 100 period moving average. So in today's video, I'm going to address what's going on with the share price, where I see Naked Brands as a company going forward, and also where I see the share price going forward. But before I get into today's video, check this out. This video is brought to you by Weibo. If you'd like to get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850, check the link in my description box below. Welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So we're currently on the chart of Naked Brands, so ticker symbols NAKD. As you can see, the share price is bearish and it's heading towards that 100 period moving average. So right now, the 100 period moving average is acting as support, as well as the 100 period moving average. The share price is heading towards a temporary support. So the temporary support is a variation of the hammer candle. As you can see, there's some wick, a slight wick at the top. So that's why it's a variation of the hammer candle. There's some pullback as the price reached the low of the hammer. So this support at the hammer will also coincide with the 100 period moving average, so the price of 65 cents. It'll be interesting to see what the market does around the price of 65 cents, acting as a temporary support. So having a look at the RSI indicator, the last time the price made a low on the 25th of March, the RSI was reading 36. And the price has made the same low in today's session, but the RSI is 34. So this indicates that there's growing bearish momentum in the share price. Even though the bearish momentum seems to be picking up according to the RSI, however, the share price is close to the 100 period moving average and also close to that temporary support of 65 cents. So I won't be surprised if we start seeing some RSI divergence, i.e. the momentum starts slowing down on the RSI. This will be a good indication that the bears are losing steam and the bulls are about to pick up. And also the direction of the trend could possibly change from bearish to bullish. So if we have a look at the MACD, as you can see, the MACD is currently still in a dead cross, which indicates that the trend is bearish and has been bearish for a couple of weeks. If we have a look at the histogram of the MACD, the volume is actually decreasing, which indicates that the bearish momentum or the bearish volume is decreasing. And also looking at the moving average with respect to the signal line, which also indicates that the bearish momentum is coming to an end or possibly coming to an end as the dead cross is coming to an end. As these lines converge and the moving average crosses above the signal line, this will be the start or potential start to a golden cross. So on a technical basis, everything seems to be pointing towards the bearish momentum possibly coming to an end and the bullish momentum picking up, which basically means that the trend will go from bearish to bullish and the share price is bound to start rising as the share price is approaching that 100 period moving average, which is a very good dynamic support. And also this coincides with the temporary support at the hammer candle. So if you're looking to get in on Naked Brands, then it'll be worthwhile waiting to get that golden cross on the MACD. And the reason for this is this will potentially be the end of the bearish move and the start to a bullish move. However, if you already own shares in Naked Brands, then it'll be worthwhile holding on to your shares as the bearish momentum looks like it's coming to an end. On a fundamental note, Naked Brands as a company have gained $270 million in cash and effectively eliminated debt. They're now able to fund a digital transformation, which will effectively make them an e-commerce leader. And all these are very good for the company because as a company, they'll be able to expand and grow even bigger. And this is great news for us investors because it means that the share price is just going to rise over time as the company goes from strength to strength. If you enjoy the content that I put out on Naked Brands, then make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further Naked Brands uploads that I put out. And if you like to support the channel, then you guys can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.